Hello students, we are going to discuss about long answer question. Okay, important long answer question है फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए. ठीक है ना, फर्स्ट ईयर इंटरमीडिएट फर्स्ट ईयर important long answer question. Okay, so long answer question we are going to discuss now. State and prove law of conservation of energy in a case of freely falling body. Okay, so यहाँ पे जो है ना conservation of लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, ये जो है ना लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन है, हमें इसे डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है ना. सो फ्रीली फॉलिंग बॉडी, ठीक है ना. फ्रीली फॉलिंग बॉडी कैसा हो जाता है, अगर मैं मान लूँ कि फ्रीली फॉलिंग बॉडी है. ठीक है. सो सपोज यहाँ पे ये बॉडी है. ठीक है, मैं इसे छोड़ रहा हूँ. ठीक है ना. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, दिस इज़ द एंडिंग पॉइंट. ठीक है ना. यहाँ से बॉडी कैसा आ रही है, ऐसा आ रही है, यहाँ रुक रही है. ठीक है ना. सो दिस इज़ फ्रीली फॉलिंग बॉडी. सो इससे पहले ना दो फार्मूला इसमें आवश्यकता है. इंपॉर्टेंट फार्मूलास आर देयर इन दिस वन. सो फार्मूला आई विल राइट. ओके, फार्मूला इज फाइनल वेलोसिटी स्क्वायर माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 into acceleration to displacement. So the formula is like this: v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, this is the important formula we have to remember for this one. Okay, ठीक है ना. we need this formula, ये फार्मूला हमें चाहिए. और एक फार्मूला है टोटल एनर्जी. टोटल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू कैनेटिक एनर्जी प्लस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. ठीक है, ये फार्मूले हमें चाहिए. ठीक है. नॉर्मली kinetic energy is nothing but half if a body is moving with velocity v. Okay, if a body is moving with velocity v having a mass m, so half into mass into velocity square. A body is there at rest, this body is at rest. What is the kinetic energy? 0. Why? Here this body is not moving, it is having velocity 0. So velocity is 0, this will be 0. Okay, kinetic energy will be 0. Okay, so this is the general form for kinetic energy and for potential energy. Okay, if the body is at a height, if the body is at a height h from the ground. So suppose this body is at a height h from the ground. Okay, so mass into acceleration due to gravity into height from the ground. Okay, h, this two formulas you have to remember. Okay na. So in this one you see in this one, this is the thing. Okay, so kinetic energy is equal to half mv square mgh. Now we consider a body. Okay, we consider a body. Okay, now say this is the ground. Okay, it is at a height, it is at a height h, it is at a height h from the ground. Okay, say this body has mass m. Okay, now what happens? See, imagine like this. Okay, so what happens like this? Okay, the body is falling, freely falling body. Okay, now see, this is the body. Okay, from the ground, let us suppose this is a ground. Okay, from the ground this is at a height h. Okay, this is the height. Okay, this is at a height h. Okay, so I'm dropping. What is happening? See, when I'm dropping, it is moving like this and just straight. So this is the initial position. Okay, final position. So in between somewhere I'll study one more motion. Okay, so what we have to study? Total energy starting position, total energy somewhere in the middle of this one, in this path, and at the end. यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? टोटल एनर्जी फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है ना. तो अभी देखिए, मान लीजिए ये यहाँ पे है. ओके ना, मैं इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में बोलूँगा. ठीक है ना. दिस इज़ ए पॉइंट, यहाँ पे इनिशियल पॉइंट है. ठीक है ना. दिस इज़ द इनिशियल पॉइंट. फाइनल पॉइंट हो जाएगा यहाँ पे गिर रहा है. सो दिस इज़ द फाइनल पॉइंट. ओके, समवेयर कहीं तो हमें लेना है. So at some point, this is falling. At some point, I will take after some time. So after some time, it is like this. Suppose, okay, this distance is nothing but x. It has traveled this much. Okay. After some time, it is traveled like this. It is moving. So this point I am taking. Say this point as A. This point as A. This point as B. This point as C. Okay. Then what will be this height from here to here? What will be height? H minus x. Okay. This is the height. Okay. Now I consider velocity here as for this one. Velocity I consider here VA for this point, VB for B point, VC for C point. Okay. Now I will study what is the total energy here. Okay. Now see solution, answer. Okay. First we have to write a statement. Okay. Law of conservation of energy. The energy cannot be destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to another form. Okay. One place to another place. जो एनर्जी जो है ना वन फॉर्म से अनदर फॉर्म में जा सकती है, ठीक है ना. सो अभी देखेंगे. सो फ्रीली फॉलिंग बॉडी एट अ पॉइंट ए, एट इनिशियल पॉइंट. ओके, एट पॉइंट. सो व्हाट वी आर राइटिंग फॉर फ्रीली फॉलिंग बॉडी. फ्रीली फॉलिंग बॉडी. ओके. नाउ एट point A I am discussing. Okay, at point A I am discussing. At point A, what is kinetic energy? What is kinetic energy? So what actually we have to study? We have to study what is this total energy at A is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy at A. ठीक है? This is the thing. Now kinetic energy for this one, what will get? Half, same, this formula we are using, half m mass of the body, v at point A I am studying. At point A, what is the velocity? VA. I have considered VA whole square. Okay. So this is it. Okay, velocity is this much. Okay. Now, what is the velocity here we get actually? Practically, if you see, this is the initial point. Okay. Initially the velocity, the body is at rest. The body is at rest. If the body is at rest, velocity will be 0. If the velocity is 0, kinetic energy will be 0. At A, VA is equal to 0. If VA is equal to 0, what will get? Kinetic energy is equal to half m0 square is equal to 0. Now this is 0. Now we study potential energy at point A. Okay, what is the potential energy? Mass into acceleration due to gravity into height. Height is h for this point. So this is m g h. Okay. Now what comes? Total energy at A is equal to what? Kinetic energy plus potential energy. So what we get? Total is equal to kinetic energy 0 plus potential energy is mgh. So what will get? Total energy at A is equal to mgh we got. Say this is the equation, or this is the total energy we got at point A. I say this is equation number 1. Okay. Now at point B, we am studying at point B. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Velocity VB. VB is not 0. VA is 0. VB is not 0. Why? The body is moving with some velocity. So what we have? Like this, same. Total energy at B is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy at B. Okay. Now first I am studying kinetic energy at B. What is the kinetic energy? Half m VB square. VB square means it is moving. It is moving. So it is having velocity VB. We have to find out velocity VB. So we use this formula. Okay. What is the formula? We use this formula. v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, consider this two situation. Now the body is at here, so final velocity what we have is vb. Okay, initial velocity here va is nothing but 0. Okay, so this will be vb, okay, square, this will be 0 is equal to 2 into a, acceleration due to gravity for this body g, okay, into displacement traveled. This is very much important. This is displacement traveled. Okay, displacement traveled from the initial point. Okay, how much it is traveling? X. It is traveling, b is traveling x. So what this will, according to this one, what will write here? See, vb square minus initial velocity 0 is equal to 2 into g into displacement traveled x. Okay, so that implies vb square is equal to 2gx. so we have this one. Now we substitute in this one, so kinetic energy what will become? Kinetic energy is equal to half m vb square is nothing but 2gx. what will get cancelled? 2. This is nothing but mgx. so kinetic energy at b is mgx. okay, now potential energy at point. So what we got here? Kinetic energies we got here 0. So this is one, this is the one. Okay, here kinetic energy we got 0. Now we are finding potential energy for this one. mg, from the ground how much is the distance? From the ground how much is the distance? Distance h. Okay, so h minus x is the distance for point B from the ground is h minus x. Now if you multiply, what will get? mgh minus mgx. Okay, this is our potential energy. Okay, now what we do? Total energy we substitute in this one. Okay, now total energy at B is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy at B. So what we got, just we substitute here. What we got, let's see. mgx plus mgh minus mgx gone. So total energy at B is mgh. So what we got? Total energy at B is nothing but mgx. We say that equation number 2. ठीक है ना? Equation number 2 same. So total kinetic energy for at point B is same, at point A is same. Now we are finding for this one at point C. Let's see what is the total energy. Okay, total energy at C is nothing but kinetic energy plus potential energy at C. Same as it is, we find kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is nothing but half m vc square. Correct. So, okay, so this will be, I've used this formula. So I want to find out here what is the velocity, this one. Okay, we don't know the velocity. Here velocity was 0, here velocity was something, we find it out. Okay, this one. Now we are finding this velocity. Same formula we use. Whatever the formula we use? We use formula v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Final here is Vc. Okay, this will be Vc. What is the initial kinetic energy for this one? Initially means not this point. Initially means starting point. Initial means कहाँ से start हो रहा है, ठीक है ना? So it will be Va, that will be 0. So Vc square minus 0 is equal to 2 into A. A is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. If the body is here, what is the acceleration due to gravity acting on that one? Acceleration acting G only. Now S is the displacement. What is S? S is the displacement traveled. So it traveled, how much is the distance? H is the distance it traveled. Now I substitute the values. Let's see what we get. If you substitute this one, VC square minus 0 is equal to 2. This is G into distance traveled from initial point is H. Okay, so VC square is equal to 2GH. Now I'm substituting in this one kinetic energy. Okay, in this one I'm substituting. So what will be kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equal to half m VC square. If I substitute VC square value, what I get? 2 get cancelled. So kinetic energy is equal to mgh. Okay, we got kinetic energy mg at a point C. Now what we want? Potential energy. Potential energy equal to mg height from the ground. Height from the ground. If this is the ground, this is the body, height from the ground is nothing. No height, 0. For this one, what is the height from the ground? 0. So this will be 0. So potential energy, what we got here is 0. So potential energy is equal to 0. So what we write here? Total energy at point C is nothing but kinetic energy at potential energy at point C. So this is what we have, kinetic energy mgh plus 0. So total energy at point C, what we got is nothing but, okay, what we got? mgh. So what is this mgh? Total energy at point C, and say this is equation number 3. So we say that, what we say, from equation 1, 2, 3, what do we say? From the equation 1 and 2 and 3, mgh. So the total energy is same. So law of conservation of energy is valid in this freely falling body. We have studied 3 cases. One is the initial point position, and some for intermediate position, and at the end position. Okay na? This is the long answer question. See, I have explained very easily. Okay, if you practice 2 to 3 times, 2 से 3 बार आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपको ये आ जाएगा. ठीक है ना? अभी कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है ना? That's it. But practice is required. In between you have to write something. Okay, see what is initial velocity, final velocity, just explanation part I have given you. Just practice, you can write exam very well. Okay na? So like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, okay, for my channel, and don't forget to take the screenshot, important.